Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the first official look for the Galaxy S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra has been surfaced online courtesy to a YouTuber, the Sakitech. He has shared only one image recording the Galaxy S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. The image showcased both the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra model in a flash, and Samsung's standard Galaxy S21 isn't pictured, but that model is believed to be more compact variant of the Galaxy S21 Plus. In terms of what the photo actually shows off, the revised camera bump are undoubtedly the most important feature. The presence of 3 cameras on the Galaxy S21 Plus and 5 sensors on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is now almost guaranteed. The leaked photos wasn't accompanied by specifications, but recent reports haven't left much of the imagination. A dooring of the rare Galaxy S21 Ultra is upgraded to 108 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, both of which are paired with 10 megapixel 3x telephoto cameras and a 10 megapixel 10x periscopic zoom shooter. The fifth sensor is expected to be a laser autofocus system rather than a 3D time of flight sensor. As far as the Galaxy S21 Plus, it seems Samsung may have cut some corners, and the South Korean giant has reportedly fitted the flagship with the same cameras used in the Galaxy S20. The good news is that improvement through softwares are very likely to be expected for that cameras. In addition to rare camera setup, both devices pictured today are understood to feature a punch hole selfie camera up front. Also, for the front side, earlier today, the trustworthy Samsung tipster Universe just posted on Instagram account a live photo of the front glass panel of the S21 Trio. And aside from the side-by-side size comparison that we got from the picture, we can also see the previous renders of the Galaxy S21's series are fairly accurate. The bottom bezels are just a tad thicker than the sides and top bezels, but not enough to ruin the overall symmetry. Also, since this is the front top glass layer of the phone, there is no cutout on the selfie camera, which is believed to be centered like before. And of course, we got a confirmation about the screen sizes, which are the 6.9 inch for the Ultra variant, a 6.7 inch for the Plus, and 6.3 inch for the Vanilla variant. Also, there are some render images that has been surfaced online from the Let's Go Digital, which gives us a clearly good indication what this device is going to be capable of. Obviously, the back of S21 and S21 Plus are pretty much similar. The camera difference is going to be expected, whereas the S21 Ultra has already been a quad camera setup. So guys, these images from Let's Go Digital are giving us a look of the device we can expect from Samsung. So honestly, this is going to be a fairly big camera sensor on the back of the Galaxy S21 series. So I am expecting that this device is going to be a massive in terms of camera bump on the backside. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the leaked images that has been surfaced online in the comment section below? And for all the daily tech news, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.